Resubmission of the 2023 annual budget of the Sangguniang Kabataan Barangay Abella.
Honorable Albios.
Thank you, Madam Chair. With the resubmission of the corrected resolution by the Sangguniang Kabataan of Barangay Abella, may I move on joint and collective motion for the approval of the 2023 annual budget of the Sangguniang Kabataan of Barangay Abella in the amount of $830,402,040. So move, Madam Chair.
Okay, approved. Next item.
The revised draft of the Naga City ASF Ordinance as proposed by the City Veterinary Office.
A Committee on Agriculture.
The letter dated January 11, 2023 from the Acting City Zoning Officer submitting the list of adjoining properties of the lot being applied for by Mr. Noel Almendral for rezoning in Barangay Pakun.
While ago, to be invited during the public hearing.
So we will invite
Si mga list of property owners yan, Madam.
this will be referred to your committee?
For public hearing?
During the public hearing. Okay, so they will be invited to the public hearing scheduled by the Honorable Del Castillo.
The letter dated December 15, 2022 of the City Legal Officer addressed to Honorable Jesse R. Albius, rendering his legal opinion on the matter of the intent of Mrs. Aida Quito to purchase portion of lot, Abroad Lot 7.
Committee on Housing. Gail, pakitext si Mayor.
Letter dated January 12, 2023 from the City Planning and Development Office in compliance with the directive of the Sangguniang, submitting a progress report regarding the proposed survey.
Land use.
The proposed resolution of the Honorable Lucilito S. A. Del Rosario authorizing the Honorable City Mayor to negotiate with interested private property owners for the possible site of the Naga City Pet Park and Cemetery.
Yes. Where's the proponent? Okay, so deferred temporarily.
The letter dated January 3, 2023 of Ms. Jennifer Fernandez, heir of Nilda and Rodrigo de los Reyes, copy furnished each member of the Sangguniang, responding to the request or offer of the City Mayor to purchase their property for housing program of the City
Committee on
Government.
Housing.
The letter dated January 9, 2023 of the City Legal Officer requesting for an update on the request of the City Mayor for authority to negotiate with Ms. Gloria Uliban
Committee on
and
Housing.
Sabaria. The report of the Committee on Public Utilities.
Sisay mga report, mayo man. Committee also deferred temporarily. Deferred. Next item. Deferred tamayo man si
New business, Barangay Appropriation Ordinance number 29 of the Sangguniang Barangay Bagumbayan Norte.
Committee on Appropriation.
200. The Barangay Appropriation Ordinance number 2022-002 of Sangguniang Barangay of Concepcion, Pequeña.
Committee on APRO.
The
And
barangay-
we go back to item number 15 of the Unfinished Business Committee Report of the Committee on Public Utilities. Councilor Lito Del Rosario.
Again, Madam Chair, may I request acknowledgement of the committee report of the Committee on Public Utilities.
The report is acknowledged.
There was a quorum during our meeting last January 13, 2023. Only one item was discussed. Letter dated December 19, 2022 of Ms. Ruby Jane Sia Isla, Operations and Business Development, Ruby Shelters, Builders and Realty Development Corporation, applying for the extension of the provisional permit terminal permit, which has already lapsed in accordance with the provision of Ordinance 2006-044. May I go directly, Madam Chair, to the
May
disposition?
proceed.
On motion of Honorable Salvador M. Del Castillo, duly seconded by Honorable Jesse Albius, Honorable Melvin Ramon G. Buenape, and Honorable Jose B. Perez. The committee resolved to recommend to the Sangguniang Panlungsod passage of a resolution approving the extension of the provisional terminal permit for the operation of the temporary eastbound terminal issued in favor of Ruby Sheltel Builders and Realty Development Corporation for 6 months in accordance with the provisions of Ordinance Number 2006-044. I so move, Madam Chair.
Any second?
That's all, Madam Chair. Thank you, and
Thank you,
good afternoon.
Honorable Del Rosario. Next item.
The proposed resolution of the Honorable Del Rosario authorizing the City Mayor to negotiate with interested property owners for possible site of Naga City Pet Park.
Honorable Del Rosario.
Thank you, Madam Chair. As we all know, the Sangguniang Panlungsod has already enacted an ordinance establishing a pet park and cemetery. Right now, we are waiting for interested lot owners. Kang pig-review ko, Madam Chair, may papapalan kitang authority na pigtao sa City Mayor to negotiate with any owner, interested lot owner of in Naga City. So I think it's proper that we pass a resolution authorizing His Honor, the City Mayor, to negotiate with interested private property owner or owners for the possible site of the Naga City Pet Park and Cemetery. So hence this proposed resolution. So with this, Madam Chair, I move that we adopt this resolution.
Okay, second. Okay, approve. Next
Thank
item.
you. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Copy of Barangay Ordinance Number 2022-02 of Sangguniang Barangay of San Felipe authorizing the grant of service recognition incentive.
Okay, Honorable Del Castillo.
These ordinances of the barangay with regard to the ISRI, Service Recognition Incentive, we should advise the barangay concerned that they should follow the usual requirement of budget review. Meaning, their supplemental budget should be duly technically reviewed by the city budget office before the Sanggunian can act on their supplemental budget. Because these ordinances should be contained in a supplemental budget, not just a mere ordinance. It should be contained in a supplemental budget, Madam Chair. So they should wait for the declaration of beginning balances or the unappropriated surplus from the city accountant's office.
So what's the...
We should advise all those barangays, Madam Chair, who have
So we should advise the
submitted their
barangays.
ordinance pertaining to the grant of the service recognition incentive. At any rate, they can still collect, provided that the fund came from the surplus of the barangay. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Okay. So... Okay, Honorable...
I move that we return this ordinance and advise the Barangay Council to seek the endorsement from the City Budget Officer as to this as this proposed ordinance on the grant of the service recognition incentive. As a requirement, Madam Chair, for ordinances pertaining to appropriation, it should have the endorsement from the City Budget Officer.
So we will refer this to the budget office? Budget officer?
No, we return, Madam Chair, to
The
the
barangay.
because it has no endorsement yet from the City Budget Office It being an appropriation ordinance, Madam Chair, since they will grant SRI from savings in their PS.
Okay, so we return this to the barangay concerned with the information that they should seek the endorsement of the city budget office. That will be that will hold true to all barangay that is seeking for our approval. The secretary is so instructed. Next item.
The letter dated January 9, 2022 of Mr. Eduardo Jose L. Mercado Jr. of Caceres Sports Arena applying for permit to conduct one cock time derby on January 14, 21, and 28 games.
Honorable Del Rosario.
Games. Sa games yan, Tidoktan, sa games. Games. Derby.
Committee on Games. Si Sen co-chair. Okay. Committee on Games. Si Sen nga niyang co-chair. So, the co-chair will take over. Kasi General Omar. O siya nang magpapano. So, that is referred to the Committee on Games.
The letter dated January 3, 2023 of Joshua Crank Charis Fellowship, San Felipe, expressing their intent to rent the theater in the Jesse Robredo Museum for church services on Sundays for several months
Si Sen
until
nag-ano to ang JMR. Museum is, di ba,
Museum.
National Historical, ano yan?
City Properties.
National Historical, ano yan eh? Saka for church services? Sa internet. Ha? Mayor? Can we refer this to Mayor?
Ako lang
To the
sunod.
Mayor?
Sabi ko po, tapos po.
Ayun, pag-refer nga, di pala sa tuya. Okay, Honorable Del Castillo, ang aram ko, National Historical, ano yun?
Unless that GC Robredo Museum was turned over to the city, saka lang siguro magkakaigwa kita ng poder na paarkilayan or pagamit sa iba. Lalong-lalo na kung naarkilahan ka sa religious organization. But if not, I think it's the National Historical Institute or National Historical Commission of the Philippines who has authority over the use of the building. Kaya siguro, ikwenta mo ang lugod, Madam Chair, mas maray pa i-refer ta sa legal ang bagay na ini.
Oh, so we refer this to the City Legal
Yes,
Office
Madam Chair.
for their legal opinion. Para maaraman pati kung
Yes, oo.
may jurisdiction.
The proper,
Kita ang
course of
pagkaaram ko National Historical Commission. Next item.
The proposed resolution of the Honorable Peña Flor favorably endorsing to his honor the City Mayor Nelson Esligacion the request of the Liga for the city to provide rescue boats and other rescue equipment to frequently flooded barangays in the city, chargeable against the city disaster fund.
So we endorse this to the Mayor? Favorably endorsing the request of the Liga ng mga Barangay to the City Mayor. Honorable Del Castillo.
The barangay can also use part of their calamity fund or the so-called local disaster risk reduction management fund para maging partnership kan city sa kakang barangay. Dahil man pwedeng puro na lang hali sa tuya, in the first place, igwa naman ng pundo si mga barangay. Kung igwa sila ng kakayahan din, partnership between the city and the barangay, tangarig si pagmakulog baga duman sa gamit. Kaya igwa man bako, pag Perdulis Buenos, Madam Chair, igwa man ng mga barangay na paghali lang sa city, kung minsan nagiging asa na intero. So dapat partnership iniyo between the city and the barangay. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Del Castillo. Honorable Peña Flor.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Considering po na ang mga budget kang barangay medyo dahil po makakasya po sa mga pangay po kang barangay nandun na po sa mga aron kaning sitwasyon na
Okay.
kaipan ta po talaga ang dakulang pundo dahil ta po kaipan po talaga ang syudad kang nagana sustiniran po ang samayang pangangay po sa barangay. Alin po itong mga water boots na po yan dakula pong kantidad yan sa kadakol pong pangangay po ang barangay na kaipan mi po na inuton sa samoy man na barangay. Aron po katong, alam mo, dakol po kaya ang manpower katong mga, kaalimba katong sa mo nangyari sa barangay, kadakol, dakol manpower, may po magagamit na mga rubber boots. Kadakol pig-rescue, ning kulang talaga po. Saka ito pong dati pa po mga water boots na pigtao po ning dating ex-mayor. Raraot naman po. Kaya masakit po talaga makareplace ko to. Thank you po.
Okay, Honorable Del Rosario.
Kang nahiling ko nga ni Madam Chair itong rescue boat na ito na ugma nga ni ko dahil ta functional pamampalan si Baroto na pigtao kang nakaaging administrasyon na medyo haloy na to mga pirang taon na ito. Kailang garo si huri kong istoryang nadangog nalabot manggiraray. Nalabot manggiraray. Kaya ang suggestion ko, Madam Chair, mag-inventaryo, apira hindi sa pag-adapta kaning resolution nun favorably endorsing sa City Mayor. Siguro ang CDRRMO, City Disaster Risk Reduction Management Office, in tandem with the Liga ng mga barangay, mag-inventaryo kang gabus na gamit, whether city-owned or barangay-owned property or equipment na related sa disaster response. Lalo na ngunyan, Madam Chair, na grabe ang pag-uran. Bako lang Baroto ang kaipuhanta, kundi iba pang equipment na
Amphibious ang yan.
baka amphibious tank,
Amphibious tank.
dapur.
Dapo.
So, yan ang suggestion ko, Madam Chair. We request the City Disaster Risk Reduction Management Office to conduct an inventory, to do an inventory of all city-owned properties and barangay-owned properties sa 27 barangays. And also another proposal, Madam Chair, in tandem igdi sa proposal ni Councilor Piñaflor sa Liga, bako lang itong mga rescue boats but other equipment na kaipuhan. So habang nag-inventory kita, nakakaigwa ning pag-purchase kan si mga needed equipment kasi aram taman na lalo na yung masunod ng mga bulan, mas matindi ang mga pagbabaha na ina-expect ang bako lang kanaga kundi sa iba pang mga lugar. So, 2 resolutions for the City Disaster Risk Reduction Management Office, Madam Chair. Thank you,
For
Madam.
to conduct an inventory and at the same time to purchase the necessary equipment.
To purchase other equipment na in consultation with the Liga ng mga barangay, Madam Chair, headed by Councilor Piñaflor.
2 resolutions. Any second to the 2 resolutions? Okay. Next item.
The endorsement dated January 12, 2023 from the Honorable City Mayor forwarding a copy of the proposed deed of donation to be executed by the city government in favor of the Camarines Sur Jail Provincial Administrator's Office involving various office supplies and equipment. The Mayor is requesting for authority.
Ano yan? Pakiano daw kaya itong ano kaya?
Ito, electric fan. Portable party speaker.
Stand fan. Portable party speaker. Itatao sa city? Ano ta? So we just take note this. Anyway, the donation will be given to the mayor, di ba? Bako masaan. Ayun na tao, papagay pa sa kabisa. Ano taday na lang idiretsong i-donate. Ano ang gusto niya? Bako provincial jail ba gani? Sa inang provincial jail ba kung nasa ano? Bako sa partido, garo partido baga. Garo ba kung partido ang Camarines Sur Provincial Jail? Deduct donation. May mawa ba o ya? Sige, sige. Taas daw, pinting. Mayo man. Puro deduct donation lang. Man mawa. Itatao sa city. Si administrator. Si ano? Yang Guerrero. Si Mayor ang nag-donate. O city government, kisa itatao.
Sa
Tiniki Guerrero. Kisa yan. Honorable Del Castillo.
About this. Kung sa Naga City District Jail, I think we can give supplies and other equipment. But kung sa provincial jail, mayon namang kitang jurisdiction over the provincial jail. So dapat maklarify ko na ni Madam Chair before we on my part, I want this to be clarified so that we can act objectively on this.
So may...
So meantime, I think we should
So we will instruct the secretary to
inquire
write.
from the secretary, from the office of the mayor, kung para saan talaga ni sa district jail o sa Camarines Sur Provincial Jail. Sa kung Camarines Sur Provincial Jail, we should not. Yan man ang probinsya kang Camarines Sur.
Okay, Honorable Del Rosario.
Seems, Madam Chair, na mas dako lang hapot kaysa sa Simbag. So, I move that we temporarily defer consideration. And siguro kung siya makakatao sa itong paliwanag kayan,
Si sino po?
hali sa city office of the city mayor garo kung siya ang
Hari ki Mayor eh.
pero di pa man siya napirma eh. So siguro we ask Mr. Baldemoro, City Administrator Baldemoro.
We will ask the city administrator.
Next
to
session,
decide on
okay.
this.
Thank you.
Next item.
the endorsement dated January 9, 2023 from the Honorable City Mayor forwarding a copy of the proposed MOA between the city and the Home Development Mutual Fund relative to the affordable housing loans to Pag-ibig Fund members under the latter's end-user home financial program. The Mayor is requesting for authority.
Bakong housing. Okay, laws and ordinances.
LO. The endorsement dated January 6 from the Head Mobile Task Force forwarding two applications for
Committee on Transport.
transfer of franchise. The letter dated January 9, 2023 of Ms. Cherry Katura, Barangay Kararayan, requesting for a special franchise
Committee on
for
Transport.
25 units. Ano na sunod? The letter dated January 12, 2023 from Mr. Mark Dominic Santo Tomas Abilende, who are so to be ejected by the
Housing.
heirs of Antonio Imperial. The technical evaluation report of the city planning on the application
use.
of Mr. D for Sunod. The letter from Miss Amalia Dadya,
Committee on Housing.
Housing. The endorsement from the Budget Office endorsing the annual budget
Committee
of
on Appropriation.
Perception. Tama? APRO. The subject matter of the privilege speech of the Honorable Mary Kyle Francine B. Triple.
New business.
With the proposed ordinance.
Laws
Laws LO
and youth, Madam Chair.
and youth empowerment.
Other matters, copy of resolution number 45, the Sangguniang Barangay of Concepcion Grande, endorsing the application of Mr. Nelson D. for rezoning of parcel of land with property ID number 13501 in Almeda Highway.
Aday
Noted.
makipon ni ano sa CPDO? Okay. So we take note. Next.
The report for the fourth quarter 2022 QRRPA from the City Assessor.
Noted.
The letter dated January 13 of Ms. Marivic Vargas Balance, Naga City Council for Women, submitting the name of Ms. Flor de Lisa
Bako naman
Barcela as their
Barcela.
new
Public.
representative to SPL.
So we take note. And the Committee on Laws and Ordinances, you take note that the representation of the women sector is now Lisa Barcela. Next.
The letter dated January 12, 2022 of Mrs. Vivian Lopo, operator of Trimobile with franchise number 0167 and 1124, surrendering Trimobile
Saan yung
franchise.
task force?
Task
Or we
force.
just take note?
Ano sunod? The letter from the American Concrete Institute Philippines, Council of Student Leaders.
Ano yan? This is with regards to the members na gusto iyo na we'd like to inform them nitong ordinance na pigpasalta. Ang iba man, bako man garong mga tiga naga. So the secretary is instructed to write the same and attach the ordinance. Taan man nin the award.
Ano sunod?
Taan man daan yung award. Okay, next.
The activity report for 2022 by the NCCI on the 18th Bicol Business Month.
Ano yung sa MNCCI?
Noted.
Tin, ano yung sa MNCCI?
Si report naman. Si report nila sa Bicol Business Month.
Sa report sa Bicol Business Month. Okay, we take note. Those who are interested can just borrow the report from the secretariat.
Nominal voting.
Okay, Honorable Del Rosario. Sa ano ba gato? World Trade Center. So who's going to attend? Gabos ka mo? Gabos ka mo maaraten?
Yes.
March 9 to 10.
Kaya dapat ko yan maamay. Sa chapter president.
So the councilors are informed that there will be a PCL meeting on March 9 to 11 at World Trade Center. Pa-reserve na ka muning magayon-gayon na ano. Next item.
Nominal voting.
Before
Honorable
the nominal voting, Madam Chair,
Del Castillo.
mapaaram lang kami ni Consialito. We'll be attending tomorrow afternoon the regional PCL board meeting in Legazpi. Yes. Mapaaram lang kami, Madam Chair. Si Councilor Lito and I, mapaligaspi sa agang hapon. Yes. So, Madam Chair, I move that we transfer all ordinances and resolutions to nominal voting and approve the same.
Any second. Next item.
Move to adjourn.
Any second. Session is adjourned. Dumanda kita